We'll take these tornadoes, put on the ground for a few minutes.
Big cone.
We just get larger. Let's do a track on this real quick.
Tell me what you mean by multiple vortex tornado. I think I know what
funnels inside of the larger that are just spinning around each other is what we're talking about.
that becomes more. That's a more dangerous situation, correct?
And it's definitely more dangerous, especially for us chasing it. It's difficult to
Ping pongs.
But we're going to stay south of Waynoka with it. Still moving through pasture land. We still see debris. Got a tornado on the ground.
Can you pinpoint that more exactly? If I live on a farm there in the southwest or the southern portions of Woods County, where are we?
It's going to be north of Southern Woods. Would be a threat.
Ooh, they are big.
Given a threat, it's going to be Southern Woods.
Oh, look at that.
Kind of area.
Stovepipe.
Yeah, if it continues, that's where it gets.
Stovepipe.
That storm is the same one that came through Woodward, and that that's right east of Highway 281, north of Oriana. I mean,
I'd say if you find a spot to pull over, do it.
That's right.
And
From Woodward, I can step in and say real quickly, we were talking about the dry line. And
Oh, look at that thing. Do you see it?
Yeah.
I know.
We're shifting to the southwest.
I was right here, like,
Yeah, good.
dew points dropping, and we looked at those lately. That usually tells you what the dry line.
Not in this hail, I'm not. That's a big hail.
See if we can pick that up for you.
I don't know if you guys want to go to Trooper Wallace and go.
Turn it around.
Trooper,
Turn it
you're in
around.
Waynoka. There's a tornado.
Multiple vortex. There it is.
Trooper, you're in Waynoka or near there. There's a tornado south of Waynoka, about 5 miles, right east of Highway 281. Can you hear me? Are you punched up on the right?
You guys punch him over there. Is the phone hung up? Is it off the hook? Or, I don't know. Okay, well, apparently we don't have Trooper Wallace.
Hopeton, Tacoma, Lambert, Ashley, those communities, if you're familiar with them, this storm, which Landbauer is telling us has a multiple vortex tornado on the ground east of Highway 281, about 5 to 8 miles north of South Junction, moving east-northeast at about 35. My information here in front of me says 40 miles an hour, 100% probability of hail, 100% probability of severe hail, 100% chance of heavy rain, and a tornado is now multiple vortex tornado on the ground out into the farmland area. But Matt Landbauer is watching debris now being carried up by that tornado as it's moving east-northeast at about 35 miles an hour. That means Cherokee is right in line for this tornado, and so is most of the western portions of Alfalfa County. Again, Alfalfa County looks like to me
Straight towards us and a little bit to the left.
Moving in towards the Burlingame area. Let's keep Matt on the air with us if we
Yeah,
can.
that's Matt Landbauer. We're hearing there. I believe we're still.
Go ahead.
Trooper Wallace here.
I've got 2 funnels, multiple vortex, just east of Waynoka.
Okay, that's the same one that Matt Landbauer was just reporting to us. That he was watching debris going up into the air.
Hey,
Yes, it was.
Dave, the hail has subsided. If you want to do a stand up,
Yeah, I do.
let's knock it out.
Where's the mic?
You had it earlier. I don't know.
Fall down in your bag.
Here it is. I got it.
Just a second.
Yes. Go for it.
Yeah, right over the pole, just to the left.
Hey, it looks like it's bowling behind that.
No, south of Highway 5.
Oh. You know what I saw? I saw this little puff. What is that? It was a hailstone hit the wire. Ooh, I just saw a baseball hit over there.
I'm gonna close my window.
Probably mosey down, get back in the infield.
Oh, it is cranking. We'll be okay.
Stop for a minute.
Go a little bit further, yeah. Look at the rotation in that thing. Debris. I see debris below it.
Far out.
Next pullover spot, I guess. Oh, there we go. Tornado. Multiple vortex. Oh yeah, multiple vortex, big time. Oh, we got a hill here though. Or better yet, that one down there. Sorry. That one, yeah. We're past the building.
It's spinning down. Don't get near shot.
How far is this out from the mountain?
My camera in the fucking ring.
We're seeing those so that may be several tornadoes cruise right by you.
Got to go.
Okay. Okay, now we're seeing debris swirling around the ground underneath the wall cloud. That is a tornado in progress right now. You can see the funnel cloud. There's the condensation. You see that major rotation right there. But at the ground level, we have debris on the ground. That indicates the circulation is already to the ground, even though that.
Look at these guys.
We got a funnel under here, guys. Nice. I think this might be a tall tornado. It's filling in underneath. It's awesome.
Look at the sign.
Yeah.
It curves back this way, so we're in a good spot.
Ooh, look at that. She's going.
This is the occlusion.
Look at that. Good grief.
Oh, look at the bottom of that baby crank. Oh, RFDs. It's a debris. Look at that. It's a butte. Pretty. That's good.
Looks like it's
That's sucking in.
debris.
Big time debris. It's only about a mile and a half from
Look at all the debris.
Oh yeah. It hit something back in there. Over here.
Oh, it's good. Left side there. Ooh.
Hit that. Hit that.
Good. Oh, landing signs is going right across here now.
This house is decimated.
Power line.
That looked like easy 2 damage. It's on the ground again. I don't think it ever lifted from the ground.
No. Oh, it's debris. Oh, it's going to tighten up.
Power poles down.
Oh, look. It's coming back down.
CJ, we forecast this a few minutes ago, but now Cherokee and most of the western half of Alfalfa County has now been included in this tornado warning. This is a tornado warning now for Cherokee.
Here's your long track tornado.
Out of that I will momentarily, but I can tell you it actually includes the western half of Alfalfa County. Look now right south of Cherokee.
I'm just trying to get where my bearings down here.
Yeah, big white tornado.
The 64 is east and west. 84.
It's also 54 goes north out here to like 858.
Okay, and
The largest tornado is starting to shrink. Looks like the first lineup tornado management.
you are right now in Cherokee, south of Cherokee. Where's the car?
Truncated cone. Elephant trunk, I mean.
You're looking back west, I think.
I'm looking northwest. It's only up my head right now. We're just about straight north. I think it's north 320 feet.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Are you a pilot?
Yeah.
Oh. That means that as I see it, that you're looking to
I see right now, I see tornadoes on the ground within a mile. There's one may actually be 30 seconds. There's a good time or just south of just north of it.
Okay, I see the other one at 1 o'clock.
Cherokee and see what they have on the ground.
They probably could. I don't know if they can anything, but
Well, I was talking to folks in the studio, see if you can contact the authorities.
we have a really flat tornado coming down out of the water now. Just like they talk about them coming out and tipping out the clouds.
Yes.
We have one really clipping one.
How far west and north of it is from you?
7 miles
The other one's
northwest of
over the
me. 7
trees.
miles is about 340 degrees.
Okay, and it's tracking which direction?
Northeast.
That's going to put it awfully close to Cherokee, right?
Yeah. That's the same one maybe in Cherokee. If it's not just lifted up as it got there.
Okay, we're checking now with Cherokee authorities to see what's actually happening in that town. We told you we speculated that Cherokee was firing their sirens within the last.
We've just had another caller that's confirming what our caller on the line is talking about here. As a matter of fact, they were saying that folks in Ingersoll need to really be heads up because this appears to be heading in their direction. Ingersoll just north of the
Yeah, if it just missed Cherokee, you'd be headed right into Ingersoll.
Okay, folks in Ingersoll, you should be taking shelter
No,
now.
I was taking
You
a
should be
picture.
taking
Yeah.
No, that's
shelter.
not another
We've
one.
got power flashes now coming off of them.
Say that again.
You see power flashes.
Okay, that means you have a probable tornado on the ground. It is destroying transformers by the electric company. That is moving into the Cherokee / Ingersoll area right now.
Correct,
And,
that's right.
stay with us here, caller, for just a minute so we can continue to track this. It's a very dangerous, when I say it is a damn dangerous situation, I mean it. Between Cherokee and Ingersoll, you should be underground at this time. We do have confirmation of a tornado on the ground in that area. It may lift, it may come back down. You should be underground. You should be seeking shelter now in the Cherokee, Ingersoll area. Tremendous, dangerously situation. If it hits Cherokee, if it hits Ingersoll, we already can tell from this caller on the phone that it's taking out power lines. Are we getting, caller, are you on that power system? Have you lost power?
Well, where we're at, we might not be on the same team.
Okay, that's what I was wondering. Now, is Cherokee served by Cimarron? Who's served by?
Somebody just right on Highway 64 now.
Alfalfa County Electric.
Okay.
I think Steve Valencia may be here with us. He was, that last report was going to head east of Alva. Steve, we would be pretty close to the storms if that indeed was the case.
Yeah, CJ, we're actually about on the 5th Street Road coming into Cherokee, and we are probably about 10 miles from Cherokee.
That is
Numerous
amazing.
emergency vehicles have been heading towards the town of Cherokee as we speak.
Where that tornadic storm may be located.
Not at this point yet. We're still in some hills to the west of
It's
Cherokee.
weak now. We
In about 5 minutes, we'll be in position to be able to see something.
I will tell you that the Cherokee Fire Department has confirmed that they have 2 tornadoes in that Cherokee area. So they're likely
it's
to run on
getting
some
broken
damage.
out big
So
time. It's about gone.
Assuming that they are, I assume that they are busy because of trying to protect their community from these tornadoes.
Is there another one right there?
possibly.
And also look at white. No, look in the middle. Yeah, I see it. Power flash.
So we're right in here. No north option if we go this way. Think I go north?
Might be it. Get all over you now.
Very close to the ground.
Yeah, I see it.
Right at the Cherokee, just north of
We are
Power flash. There's power flashes.
dealing with 2 tornadoes. They didn't specifically say they were hitting the town. They said they were in or near Cherokee, and they were too busy to talk to us.
Until they were behind the storm and not in anything.
That's we got debris across the roads.
there in Cherokee.
Okay, do I know David Payne? We talking about a Channel 5 guy? Channel 4?
Highway or north of Cherokee.
Yeah, so, unfortunately, most of
getting
them
hit.
are in the same places.
Cherokee's over here. They already got hit.
This is green, so it's right.
Oh, I just saw it in the lightning flash. We're going through Burlington. Driftwood is due north of us.
AJ, I'm guessing we're
Yeah, I still see it.
5 miles to the west of Cherokee, and we see emergency vehicles up at 10 of them. I'm not sure if their power line's down or whether they're actually going to let us through. We do not actually see any.
Well, we're getting close right there. Look at the tree. Is that a tree uprooted?
Right now, there's probably
Something.
rain ramps.
The dude's too far away. He doesn't see the tornado.
I think that's right. You're, if I'm with you, are you on Highway 11 or 64?
We're actually about 3
Ingersoll.
miles south of that. It is a county blacktop road that feeds into 5th Street into Cherokee.
Well, the
Yeah, debris. That got hit.
on top of Cherokee right now. My guess is that they're getting property damage. And I'm not surprised that you're seeing emergency.
So here in about 1 mile is our north option.
DJ, we are now probably about 5 miles west of Cherokee. We've just come upon our first debris area. Again, the trees are down. Again, some kind of halfway blocking the road. About 5 miles to the west of Cherokee. And you can pretty well tell like a couple of garbage actually overturned. You can tell probably about a straight line wind that came through here.
5 miles south of, or 5 miles due west.
Look at that.
580-2565, 101 if you want to report to us. Storm chasers out of New Mexico are reporting to us right now. They've been following these storms all day. They are telling us that the southern part of Cherokee is down 1 mile south of Tacoma.
Look at the upward motion on that thing.
81 authorities has been telling us, telling you.
I think
not
this
to
is our north
travel
option right here.
between Waynoka and Waynoka and Alva on 281. So stop that. There's damage in that area.
Here's a new tornado warning for that area.
I'm gonna lean across real quick,
Service just a few
Okay.
moments ago issuing a tornado warning for the northern parts of Alfalfa County. Now, a tornado.
multiple
this one
vortex.
just a couple minutes ago near Ingersoll.
Are they gonna let us
Ingersoll,
through?
Just
Try.
north, just west of Cherokee. We've talked about another storm or another tornado that's probably affected Cherokee. This one's off a little bit to the north, a little bit to the west. A tornado near Ingersoll moving northeast at 30 miles an hour.
Again, verifying chasers, they tell us now the southern portion of Cherokee, the town of Cherokee, has been hit by a tornado. We have no reports Property damage, we have no reports of
Hey,
any
there's,
loss of life.
Lawton's.
Let's take you to Cherokee. We
Lawton.
have a caller on the line from
Resident
Cherokee.
of Cherokee. Caller, tell us what your situation is there in Cherokee tonight.
Okay,
Call
right
the
now I'm
people.
sitting out here on the north side of Cherokee by the sale barns. And
So we want to go left, right?
yeah. Rotation just with north of us, probably over Highway 11. Earlier we was watching, we had 2 large tornadoes just to probably about a mile to the west. I haven't seen any damage yet. Right now we're seeing probably 3 vortexes coming down off of this rotation. And
Is that a wall cloud in that area? Is that what you're seeing?
yeah, I believe so. I'm not that familiar with this stuff. There's 2 funnels dropping down off of this right now.
We're getting reports that the southern portion of Cherokee, and I don't know how far you are from there because I don't know where the sale barn is, has been hit by a tornado. Are you hearing that?
I haven't heard anything. Like I said, we're clear on the north end of town. So we're just, like I said, we're being totally on the opposite side of town.
And what you're seeing is that tornado that they just issued the new warning on. That's near Ingersoll, moving northeast at about 30 miles an hour. You're north of Cherokee. You're looking back, if I understand you correctly, back to the west just a little bit. And that's going to be the one near Ingersoll. It's probably not going to affect Cherokee, but it's going to affect Driftwood, Byron, probably, maybe even a Amarita.
Yeah, in fact, it's kind of,
Louis power
not
plants.
really forming, it's just kind of still rotating. Not hasn't dropped yet. I think this is the same tornado that skirted west and north of Cherokee a little bit. Smaller tornado.
So we're approaching a county line of Wakita, rather, is in what county?
Waukita's in Grant County.
Maybe Meg will give us a steak.
Northwest portion of Grant County is
multiple
in
vortex
line to get hit by this storm, as is the south of Anthony, Kansas. Most of the southern portions of what's the county just north?
It's trying to wrap up with some rain.
What?
Yes, right. Yeah, that's Barber County.
Okay, Barber County, then north. If you take a line from Cherokee northeast, north of Manchester and on up, and they're telling us Amarita, Ruella. I don't know that town. Manchester,
coming up on the debris.
Manchester at 6:33. All of these are going to be moving into southern Kansas. I only want to tell you.
Well, these
that
trees are mangled
in that
right here.
area of Crown or Anthony, particularly Anthony, Kansas. This
So
is
yeah,
one which has
this is where it crossed.
is going to affect you in the next 30 minutes. And like Cherokee, there has been a number of tornadoes reported in the storm.
Yeah, right now it looks like a scene from Twister out here with all the storm chasers and highway patrol and everything going. There's just a solid line of emergency
saw a power
vehicles
flash
heading north out of Cherokee right now.
Yeah.
Well, now, I would think they would be heading into Cherokee.
No, they're heading out of Cherokee to the north of Cherokee.
Okay, and
Towards
around me,
the
dude.
county line, or the state line.
all right, what's the highway?
Don't go around me.
That would be Highway 11. Where our Cherokee said 3 miles south of Highway 11 to be 11 and 64.
Okay, and we're talking, is that right, Steve Stoffer?
No. This is another caller.
Oh, okay. Too many notes here. Caller, thank you for your information. Let me see if we can bring up. Do we have Valencia anywhere close or some highway patrol?